Andrew Tate, who was detained on December 28th alongside his brother Tristan on suspicion of engaging in human trafficking and is currently being held in Romanian jail pending the outcome of his trial. Tina Glandian, who is Tate's new attorney, has just lately issued a significant update regarding her client's detention. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at new attorney says Andrew Tate will remain in jail. Yeah, you heard her right. In a recent interview with Piers Morgan, Glandian expressed their dissatisfaction with Tate's living conditions as well as their limited access to legal representation. She also stated that she has not been given any evidence indicating that her client was guilty, and she pointed out that he had not yet been charged with anything. In an interview with Piers Morgan, Glandian urged the public to consider them innocent until their guilt can be confirmed beyond a reasonable doubt. The boys are both extremely strong, they have a high level of resilience, and they're managing to keep themselves together despite the obviously difficult circumstances. They have been arrested for a very protracted amount of time at this point, and they're currently being held in a Romanian jail cell. They have restricted access to their attorneys, which is not in their best interest given the circumstances. They're controversial public personalities, but that, in and of itself, is not a crime. To this time, we have not yet been presented with any proof that they've committed any crimes, and they have not been charged with any wrongdoing. As a result, I would like to request that people assume they're innocent despite what they may say. Tina Glandian has previously collaborated with such illustrious figures such as Mike Tyson, Michael Jackson, and Chris Brown, among others in the music industry. Along with Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan, who are both from the United States, their close acquaintances, Georgina Nagel and Luana Radu, both from Romania, are currently being kept captive. The brothers are accused of using promises of marriage and relationships as a way to initially seduce their victims and then pressuring them into participating in pornography. Under the danger of being physically harmed, one of the victims claimed that they were coerced into earning a minimum of 10,000 euros per month on various social networking platforms. The BBC was first to announce the news after they obtained access to the confidential testimony. The alleged victim continued working to a strict schedule, staying live on TikTok for 12 hours with only a 5-minute break, causing her to earn a minimum of 10,000 euros a month and threatening to beat her if she didn't perform her job properly. The alleged victim continued working to a strict schedule, staying live on TikTok for 12 hours with only a 5-minute break. It has been stated that victims of Andrew Tate were threatened with financial penalties if they did not submit anything on the OnlyFans portal. The court asserts that those comments did not reflect reality because victims of human trafficking are frequently unaware of the abuse to which they're subjected, despite the fact that several victims have denied that they were used by the Tate family. After having an appeal lodged against their detention being turned down, Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan will continue to be held in custody for another month. They were taken into custody by Romanian law enforcement a month ago on the accusations of engaging in rape and people trafficking. A judge in January granted a request to extend the custody of the British-American influencer and his brother until the 27th of February. On Wednesday, the Bucharest Court of Appeal supported the judgment on the lower court. Tina Glandian, the Tate brothers' newly appointed legal counsel in the US, has asserted that their indefinite incarceration without trial for more than 30 days constitutes a violation of international human rights law. She argued that outside forces had impacted the case while speaking to reporters before the appeal was dismissed. However, she declined to describe what such pressures may be and added, "So far, the system has failed." The legal expert went on to say that the absence of evidence was evidenced by the fact that there were still no charges, despite the fact that the brothers had been detained for a month and that the police had been investigating since April. According to Glandian, who has previous experience in acting as legal counsel for high-profile individuals like Mike Tyson and Chris Brown, Tristan Tate had also been prevented from seeing his new child, who was 3 weeks old at the time. She further refuted the notion that the brothers may leave Romania and indicated that other actions, such as revoking the brothers' passports or placing them under house arrest, might be taken instead. Tina Glandian's appointment is being viewed as a significant new step in the case due to the fact that it may introduce a fresh strategy to the Tate's legal team, which is currently attempting to secure the release of the brothers from preventative custody. A communications expert has been hired by the former kickboxing champion and his brother so that they can respond to the growing interest shown by the media in the issue. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section down below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.